Congressional negotiators say they have the parameters of an immigration deal following a lengthy bipartisan meeting with President Trump at the White House Tuesday. The emerging scope of the deal would protect an estimated 700,000 to 800,000 immigrants known as Dreamers from deportation, secure the southern border, reform family-based migration and change the nation's diversity visa lottery program. But many key details still need to be worked out, such as how to weigh family relationships in granting legal status, how to allocate visas available through the lottery program and how much to spend on border security. Kevin McCarthy was the one who said, "All right, it's down to 4 things, right? DACA and the other 3 things," said Senate Democratic Whip Dick Durbin, who attended the meeting and made reference to fellow participant House Majority Leader Kevin McCarthy, "Our California advertisement we were able to focus on next steps and things that more or less set the boundaries of our negotiations," said Senator Thom Tillis, RN.C., another member of the Senate negotiating group who attended the White House meeting. Senate Majority Whip John Cornyn, R. Texas, who confirmed the parameters of the bill, said Kevin McCarthy, Durbin and House Minority Whip Steny Hoyer, DMD, have been tasked with coming up with the timeline for turning the framework into a bill ahead of the March 5 deadline. "We all understand that getting a little bit of focus on narrowing the issues is important. We started that today," Cornyn said. Trump tasked Congress in September with putting together an immigration package after he rescinded the Obama-era Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, DACA, program, which protected illegal immigrants who came to the country at a young age from deportation. Durbin said the main achievement of the meeting was to set parameters for the talks over the next 10 days before government funding expires. Democrats want the government funding package to include provision protecting Dreamers from deportation, but Republicans will not agree unless it also strengthens border security and makes other reforms. Trump and the lawmakers leading the immigration talks in Congress agreed Tuesday to first move a package that addresses Dreamers, border security, family-based migration, the diversity visa lottery and possibly the temporary protected status program for people from countries ravaged by war or natural disaster. Other issues, such as how to crack down on immigrants who overstay their visas or to require employers to check the legal status of workers, will be held over for a later round of immigration talks unconnected to Dreamers. "There were a few encouraging things," said Senator Jeff Flake, R. Arizona, one of the Senate negotiators who attended the meeting. "The president exhibited, I thought, quite a bit of flexibility when the cameras weren't there in terms of what we do in this phase and the next phase," he told reporters. Updated at 2:43 p.m.